Let's find standard deviation for ungrouped data. Let's take number sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. To find standard deviation, the equation is sigma xi x bar this is the equation. X bar means mean. You need to add all those values and divided by 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 30 5. The mean is 6. Now we can find standard deviation. X bar is 6. Now we can find standard deviation. Xi, first take 2 and divided by 6 times plus 4 minus 6 minus 6 8 minus 6 and 10 minus 6. There are 5 elements here, 1 2 3 4 5. We need to divide it by 5. Now here minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 0 plus 2 4. Sixteen 4 4 16. Now you will get 2.83. The standard deviation for this ungrouped data sequence is 2.8. Previously when we take the standard deviation without assumed mean. Now this time we calculate the standard deviation with assumed mean. I will take assumed mean as 6. To find standard deviation with assumed mean, the equation is this is the equation. You know we need to find di value. To find d we need to subtract it with assumed mean. So xi means it is 2. As a first one it is 2. Now 6 minus 4. If we use the table to do this, we need to find d square. 4 times 4 16 4 0 4 16. Now sigma di we need to calculate all those things. 16 16 32 4 4 8 40. Sigma di is 40. Standard deviation sigma di squared by n. Now sigma di is 40. N means 1 2 3 4 5 8, and then you will get the same output. Now here we calculate, previously we calculated without the assumed mean. Now we calculated a sequence with the assumed mean. At the both time we got the same output.